In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run ads on your Shopify store. Let's dive right in. The beauty of online retail is the ability to leverage the power of advertising to bring your products in front of a wide, targeted audience. Today, I'll guide you through the process of setting up ads specifically for your Shopify store. First and foremost, you'll need to access your Shopify account. For that, simply go to the Shopify website. Once you're there, you'll see a login option. Click on login to proceed. This is where you'll enter your store details to access your dashboard. If you've forgotten your details, don't worry, there's an option to retrieve them. Upon logging in, you'll want to direct yourself to the Shopify admin page. This is essentially the control room of your online store. Here you can manage orders, products, and crucially for us today, your advertising and sales channels. Now let's talk about apps and sales channels. Shopify boasts an extensive marketplace filled with apps designed to enhance your store's functionality, including a variety of advertising tools. To access this marketplace, click on Settings in your Shopify admin, followed by Apps and Sales Channels. Next, you're going to click on the Shopify App Store. This will open up a new window or tab, depending on your browser settings, leading you to a treasure trove of apps specifically designed to supercharge your Shopify store. Once here, use the search function and type in ads to narrow down your options to advertising related apps. Choosing the right platform for your advertising needs can feel a bit like finding a needle in a haystack, given the plethora of options available. However, a good place to start is by checking out popular free ads platforms. These platforms are often robust enough to get you started without having to commit financially right away. Look for apps that have high ratings and reviews, as these are typically indicative of the app's performance and user satisfaction. Having picked out a popular free ads platform, it's time to install it. Simply click on the app from the search results, then look for the install button. Clicking this will initiate the installation process. You might be asked to agree to certain permissions or terms of service, so ensure you read these carefully before agreeing. Once the app is installed, you'll typically be prompted to set it up. Click on Set Up Now to begin this process. Each app will have its unique setup process, but they generally involve connecting your ad account, setting a budget, and choosing your target audience. Follow the prompts to complete these steps. By now, you've successfully installed and set up an advertising app on your Shopify store. These apps integrate seamlessly with Shopify, allowing you to manage your ads directly from your Shopify admin. This eliminates the need to constantly switch between different platforms, making your advertising efforts more streamlined and efficient. Some final tips before we wrap up. Always keep an eye on your ad performance. Most apps will provide detailed analytics to help you understand what's working and what isn't. Be prepared to tweak and adjust your ads based on performance data. This is key to maximizing your return on investment. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ad platforms. What works well for one store might not work as well for another. And there you have it. You're now ready to run ads on your Shopify store, bringing your products in front of the eyes that matter most. Remember, the key to successful online advertising is not just in the setup, but in ongoing active management of your campaigns. Keep experimenting, keep optimizing, and most importantly, keep learning. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful in kickstarting your Shopify advertising journey. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your online store. Happy selling!